What I wish I knew before starting my own online store? Stick around and I'll tell you everything. Hey there, future e-commerce mogul. Starting your online store can be super exciting, but also a bit overwhelming. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Step 1, choose your products wisely. Think about what people need and what you're passionate about. Step 2, create a stunning website. You don't need to be a tech wizard. There are plenty of user-friendly platforms out there. Step 3, market like a pro. Social media, email marketing, and good old word of mouth can do wonders. And don't forget logistics. Shipping and handling are key to customer satisfaction. Our ultimate e-commerce startup guide gives you all the detailed steps, practical tips, and real-life examples you need. Whether you're just starting or expanding your business, this guide is your roadmap to success. Ready to turn your e-commerce dreams into reality? Click the link and get started today.